every means possible. Nana matrankunya gramofo imam for will be answering a quite on the first on in elections in there on Bewin or no campaign and I say by any means necessary, whether a true foul or fair means and answer day. About the panel Bibrima static as I said there be Sakasa with the elections ways about issues. Yente and someone Akoso.
NDC for Peo, Amu Peo, 2024 Apano, and not your winning da. Amu winning. Amu winning. Papa take a record. Amu winning. Na MPP Amano Kuono. MPP Amano Kuono. Yes, you also have winning election. MPP, yes, you say about winning election. It's the enemy. Why be asked why about winning 2024? About they're a political party. They're a political party. I saw for them, Imam for them, Omabuku Sawam. That the other say about winning election. It's a quite be about winning election. The winning election, NDC for
Tie Kasaba go so free one so buy.
You will not hand over power to President Mahama. I have a message for him. On the 9th of December, inshallah, if the good people vote for Mahama in your MPs, if he's a man, he should not hand over power and see. We will show him that when iron and iron meet, you will see fire. The people of Sisala is here. Somebody told me they have started bringing back the fertilizer. I said they better do it. They said the corrupt man, the corrupt MP for Sisala East has started bringing back the fertilizer. I said,
okay, so Basentadi Namoten in Kano or Sister Obiso a Bema 9 December Mom Fabano Ma John Dramani Mahama. Nabraya to Abanawi Umbo Hundi Bessie. Uti NDC. A year one more youth organizer. A year loyal Pariadua. I say to election 2024 is our revolution without a gun. If you draw your dagger, we will draw our dagger. So he's warning the new patriotic party. You know, man, just a can. I'm just a can. I'm so much just a camper. Reverend Dogby, me watching.
Yeah, Mr. Marching.
Now, I'm going to say,
me wait.
you know, bad I say. About 2024, me who say Christian Council penny for. And I know yet one can't ever touch him. I'm on another tranquility. I him I didn't come up. Casabia shall say about Melbourne to it be my threats. Say a revolution without a gun. Uchisikai, I bet you Sikai, Utie, a Greek minister, Mupo Mumpo, Abanoya Farmer, Moyabe winning, quite a fast one, no Pamunko Shipo, Sakasane Ba, Yana, a Pempi, yede, unnecessary tension be ba. A dear future now, the Mema Womo Muko Jina Simpi su Casano.
Yo, let me dance. Let me say, Ghana, you will Ma or Ayejuma. Into the election bar, some people feel that it is time for them to excite their followers. Na niamu pebia na omaka. But some of the things they say, it is illegal, unlawful. Into a man no ejuma. So if you make some of these things in public, they are supposed to be invited by the security agencies. As a matter what is the meaning of that? What do you intend to do? Because they don't interview you, discipline you, and tell the public that these are things that are likely to bring trouble in this country, then people will take them seriously and cause this trouble. As a matter simple that the law is the law. People are not supposed to excite people, provoke people, threaten the populace that they will do this, they won't do this. When you are going to vote, the simple thing, we will do it with decency and in order. They will all live in peace. So we shouldn't allow anybody, Party A, Party B, NDC, NPP, their campaigners, their candidates, to be threatening the public. The law enforcing authorities, the police, must do their work, invite them, and take action. That's all I will say. This is what will stop it. Tomorrow they will know what to do and what not to do. Particularly since they are doing it publicly.
Now, Emma Sabia, inviting them in our jurisdiction. We invite you, Obiso Omra, de Wakana, party faithfuls, Abodom Pimakogu, CID headquarters, something I don't know. Would that also create certain panic?
Yeah, this is what lawless countries do. If there is somebody who is threatening the public or threatening the nation, the state must rise up. And yes, we cannot stand it. If the country is destroyed because of some people unguarded things, whether they come from Party A or Party B, the law enforcement or the law enforcement officers should stand up. There are more peace-loving citizens in this country than those who want to cause trouble for us.
Okay.
And we will also stand up and back the law enforcement or the people that you are doing your work. You must be left to do your work. So civil society, Christian religious bodies will not stand by and let them go and threaten the law enforcement agencies. No, what is wrong is wrong. And we must say it whether election is coming or is not coming. Whether it's NDC or MPP or PCP or whatever it is, whatever they say, if it is wrong, it is wrong. And the police must invite them and caution them and let the public be aware that you cannot give threats like this and get away with it.
Okay. Reverend Fred, we are not pay. Mebusa, we say parties no money or more on going into elections.
Parties, we engage them all the time. We engage them all the time, talking about peace, what to do, and encouraging everybody that, our job, our duty, and our prayer is that the election must be free, fair, and transparent, so whoever wins must know that they have won. So we are working with them, encouraging them, praying for them, and asking them to do the right thing, telling them that, look, Ghana, we are in a challenge. You should not go and entice people to buy votes or sell votes to you. If you do that, you are sowing seeds. You are sowing bad seeds, and it will come back and haunt you. You put money to people who will not vote for you, or even if they vote for you, now what they car. If you put the car, then you are now looking for money to come and pay the debt that you owe. And then you are collecting bribes here and there. You are deadening your conscience. You are deadening your conscience. The one who is giving the money, the one who is taking the money, you are all destroying yourself, your conscience, and you account before God. If you estimate away, we are only here temporarily. If you can get away with it in this world, but before God, you will not get away with it. Before your own conscience and your own people who you have collected the money from, you will not get away with it.
Okay.
So let us do the right things, whether there's election or no election. We must learn to do the right thing before God and man.
All right. Reverend Dogba no pay medawasi.
Yo, Mr. Darcy.
Okay. Reverend Fred Degwe, a member of Peace Council. Kase. So be kasa no praise in penny for no more man fee say. kasa no obetime e de hu ni twitwia ba omonto nsafrɛ no na mom eyoman a omumumra ena obi ya ade ne efrɛ na na party fu akobodom pem ho na womo ekoye dede no ni nyina emwa omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama says Ghana for to abama no a oba abolish the efrɛ no double track. Now member of parliament for Boakye Kwesi what's that? Kwesi Kwarteng. Is it Boakye or me pam cho. O say no man pay your mama sembe no okay. Double track. Woma to agukra da. Double track the enye nekra na ka double track asem. Double track Ghana for crowd to go ya aban no crowd twem a and then kwala no ko single no. Double track in any day. It is long gone. Papi, the O2 focus asem cho no corner ko busa bi da. Double track there. Kwesi Kwarteng mensia PRO. Okay. The dino akoye Osiana dino ya bitime. Public Relations Officer, Minister of Education. And I oka say twem da. Woman to good da. Joma peni joma ma esrew. Kone ko busa bio. Na ko busa ombe ka kire say double track the Ghana. Enya dia problem cry twem. 1 or 2 papayful. Kwesi Kwarteng say asma oka no. Public Relations Directorate. Penny Awotano, our Minister of Education. Okay, anopay ma Olivia Kwaba. Na future life.
Future.
Future nearby who buying. Papomu Dane and it's over CPS. Olivia, mami too.
Your future life for your Hananope. Papomu Dane Huntina Yoha. If you say a dear in a problem, so unina. Then your vitamins and minerals in the brain, if you nip a dream. Ti obuha or se maha, maposo, menkase my menantica crana my bread. Nina say, Unina, then you might be free nipedium tea. In you any natural food supplementer. A bois a shed the few monoma. Until the person will be a DBCS nipediano. What's any pediana cells and tissues? Until a yamra, no one can so yamre. What posonary now bensa o kala na e basa na wanyi ntentem bi sei saa na yenua no etie se wudi a esiesie nipadua no enti mpene ma yare ntra nipadua no enti aduane a wudi a eboa nipadua no wudi so fry a no wadi fi se enfrafra ye bia anim e aduane wudi wo me na sanboa nipadua no e mo aposo sisi ye ti obi wo ha nipadua ni inside no hu enti we no koguma esiesie enti obi wo ha yesi no a onam ha and no trahwe unim de ekoso nipadua nim the future life na boa ema nipadua ne sipi na sita enti ebeso bia bedibi enti sa o maame o pressure diabetes a enuane na odidi ye na amoa no na ma ne nya asa anuama no ti so odi sa anuane we ya empene wo hwe a ye nipadua no fat pa na tinema de yare nyina aba enti wo hwe ade we ya eye seat ene nas ene ede aye da bia na meka say bibia ye dua fifi no enkwa wom life enti sa na enti na ye future life no so wudi ade enkwa wom da bia ema unipadua no ye kama so ade ye fresh natural bibia amfrafra tu wudi esiesie nipadua no inside no yare fire ba nyina wo ye nipadua no mu ewo ye funu no mu enti we siesie ye funu no mu ti ampene ma yare ntina nipadua no mu enti obia mepe ye kira kwan no medibi se bibi ante chima woni padua ma wontimi nya pressure wontimi nya die so di ya wontimi nya sa ne ma no enura na me no obi kan say India for ne China for so my ya say ni pentimi 130 years ni nyina ani so obehwe waduane die ti da bia me ka say be your own doctor nti uba ya so ye ho a ya church of vegetables bi ego krata so e de ma o se kototo na blend na nom e bo di padua no so wa hwe waduane die ya oba yare obewu abra Yakobon frɛ wo enti bibia ekoso nipadua bia ye aduane die so wadwene be ye adwuma ye so aposo be gina ho so ni nyina ye aduane a obedi ni ye no na be siesie enti siesie inside na ba abonten and that pressure and diabetes abeka ya brabo ho eni sanka basa ni nyina ye nuane bone na ye die no and obi sori anopa obenum tea eguru obam obedi koko eguru obam obedi wache eguru obam woni poison na wodi ko mu ya nkasa na ye fire no na ye de amaye ho future life there a proper free nipadua ni mu enti ntina ho nyare ansa na obasa obedi future ya aduane wudi na wo me no na eboa wo nipadua no na etimi ma wo gina so ye future life ya so obi bia ha obi a oba oka kire be hu aduane a ye de be ma de aduane enkwala di ena wo de mpanyimfo so di a empene ma yare emetra oni padua no fi se ni padua no hia balanced diet to future life so the 50 grams that's why they did for 3 days kura bibie no ho ebe yo ebi se de ni padua no ehia na nya awie so hwe akola ya wo no foforo anyankopon no fo nko na ode ma akola no to etimi siesie ni tunwa be si ni na ase so the future life ti mpanyimfo no fo to obi amna ya so ho no mepe bi no oni ebo di padua na nkasa ebo ni pe ma ho ni padua sisi ho so ma wani je wo brain wo bibia wo nyina na ekofom obo ho okuta ade o se me hura fi me ma me operation me suma nya sorry ni nyina aye enua no bone na ye di no mo me asese enua ni die so sese wadua ni die a bibia ba kama because emre bi na me hwe bible ma chaka kro na me hu ni ye as me the future life na afi de that could be quite sorry na bible kit a good news bible kit to any be me bag me na me hwe ni mo say dem small bible me bia mo ya me kan the future life no esiesie ni padua no so ni padua kwa no se niam ni bi kofom a ase minerals ni kofom pe wo be se na wo niam bebre kofom enti be ma yare bebre abetena wo ni padua no enti so ye de oba ye mo aduane si kodi na esiesie ni padua no enti ka kire wadamfo ka kire onu no be future life ni bi ni fisa na dwo didie no kura kuye ko wodi na no pa na wodi na nwumre awia na wodi normal food ayi bi afri mu enti ho de oba etuetuo nuane ankasa enuane a wodi ayemwa no ye de ema wonni ye also follow alignment ti afro so obia amra obia eye family food and to future life I try say future life is good for everyone. It's good for everyone. Let's go be a dibi. Emma pom di ankasa. Ma dibi aboa me na mabusu enti usu dibi. Na yare eku na enwo na doso too much. Ewo na doso first obi wa na news and dey enya news bi mo 45 years 30 years no owu. Chese enyo ma ekoso eni padua ma enku ihwe mframa aye home. Enuane etoto di abonten. Enusi aye hye no. Enya asam keto akra. Make I say nkrofo bi wo hoton cars no mo de flag bi asisi hey cars na etwam no we edi be 3 months flag na ye black flag be 5 weeks when am say hey eti nema we na ekodi padua yi mu ekuye ne o me ekuye wa hanti se wa mepe future life nema na amprapra oni padua ni ma efi ni be ka oni padua ni mu e be kokko fire ye no how be brabro enti future life de nya sa wo yare enti na obedi na wudi e de abo wa nkasa wo da ache ho ban efi se edua nyina ne pa obam adi bi wo ha we dan beto waposo no wo nyine na bewewe efi se waposo no enye okotodwe nko esuso ha nyina na mani patimi gina so wo nyina ebewe echim na onka se mi na ebesa afi na ehu eti se wo di a na ehye sa de ne ma eti bi the future la mfrɛ de hye me ma de efri mu no na esa hye ne ma eti ntina ho nyare ansa na we be future life eti wo hwe future life prepare food na esiesie bibia a ese wo nipadua no ana ne ma esa no wo say collagen is here from 25 years na collagen system na ekofom collagen we na ekofom we natural food supplement a eboa ma collagen boost kosoro etitam bi esiesie ma yentra ho mfa aduro nya yaduane ye ma aduane mom nya yaduro fi se wudi na wo me no na san boa wo nipadua no ebe me we yaduane ti wudi na esiesie o enti se wudi di a wankasa no wo bisa se de na benya fi aduane no ma san wadi yesi pintin bi adom ye pintin bi anom ye wudi di abisa wo ho se de na menya fi aduane no ansa na wadi enye se okotete agu yem kaka ebebo dondo ama wasa mumye ni di ye na doctors no so adwuma so nte so didi ye kura na wankasa no wo ho to se okoda na adwene se aduane piwo yem kura na untimi nna yie sorry asa honam ye oya
no aye cheko
ya awo nipadua ni hia aduane kese nipadua bia futi so no ankasa nsa eti eni so di 80% na so wudi bo bi obedi say be 5 wo be break your system no wo ba ya so ye kire kire kwa ma so abedi ebi didi papa ebi ti di banku be 4
akwa bi so timi di 6 me ame ba boaje kwa na no mo kan bi na no just am ye calculation
esa wo be break your system no wo yes wo be break ebi say cement car fa 800 na ko fa 2000 na wo break engine no sa na ye nua na netie administrative for so obi amra ya so yo future life wouldn't so fry na wudi nkola na ko school no munto bi ma wo mo eboa nkasa eboa manipadua no obi wo kra entontom ba ko kan kra be se na oyare na malaria na fa no boost immune system no ma cells no tissues ni nyina ye kama
okay
we say cells the tissues ni kuta ye enti obi amra ya so no mepa aduane ni bi ni omo tete offices omo tete air condition bank for no magazine for no homa emframa ye home ne nyoma ni nyina emwaye eti yesro bia say future life de e aduane a udi a eboa ni padua no entina ho nyare ansa udi a wo me no na eboa ni padua na siesie ni padua na nkasa wadwene no ubi bia esiesie no waposo ubi bia ma ho ye fe de bia look very young and nice and very strong enti o setena ase che na nya ahoden me the numbers need to join numbers need
0246
01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 akoso ye 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 90 ya so ya ne bi won kran tesa no ho e bi wo sunwane e bi wo mampon konongo ye main office o sofola alignment sa wo ma ho da bra ya so ya ho ne nu ni nkomo efi sa okotodwa na osisi ya na ye kire exercise a wo be ye wo hwe future life box no kwa wa tro ho say exercise 30 minutes a day na num so 8 glasses a day ni nyina wo ho future life for ye wazo ye momra ya so full alignment interchange so wani kire patase no ye wo ho free anopa no nwotwe ekopim no nsia kwasi adanko ana ye mra adwuma se bibi ha bra ho ne nu ni nkomo ne nchechu nu na obegya idi de de wuni na oba na say ya amount to our apostles be vegetables ne print the agu paper so wa abakwa akototo organic no wa blend no wanom na da drink anom ye ho se obia enkwa ed ewu na doso mum ye so emu ye ne enya ahode mfa nso mo baade no be de yakopon gya mu nyina future life aduane udi a wo me na ebo ne pedua no e ma ho timi giregyina so ye
no ye da se Olivia na abusia ye to adwuma die no so na ye de bibia at hono enche bia any Dr. Adam so bejo twenkomo na ansa na no oh go pie ho na wa be di adanse se wo ba no wa ye dai akosuku papa abofra ketekete crèche nursery primary JHS 1 to 3 na akoshe boarding facilities pa ne adan ya brogu ankwala no sua de computer labs ahodo omo bedroom aduane e de man kwala ne die chese wa ultimu say yes odo baba school na akwala no so wanya ntete proper housing facilities. Your Paraku estate at Tasamanso. The Honum dede ni ho. Na Odo back to school, Kalani Sadia, Dr. Alberton, pay, na car be na ambulance be chum. Oh, in your word link, America. Word link here, make catch you the El Paraku Estate, a hot, a dean, a serene atmosphere, college Shadia, which is a coye pa, school bus, papa, be a dim college, Cordiomo ba. A fay, over to my friend 0547 448 241 0547 448 241 and 0208 191 351 0208 191 351. If you try to say, a yas toothpaste, yas toothbrush, you will total care toothpaste, a bois, a macaca, any tokro, any Yamaki cow, sitting in a building up a free hole, a fay whitening toothpaste. Now say a Herbal toothpaste, I don't see a medicine now. I don't pay me come from our cow who could just so busa. Yes, toothpaste, yes, toothbrush. Toothbrushes, no Prince, Princess, Monarch, Duke, Duchess, kiddie brushes in our baby. I will be a yes, toothpaste, yes, toothbrush. I feel to the sack electronics, then the property abba. Ubia the dance, auto property product. What are the pack? Ubia over the beer man and your property when ye. Property products, papa. TVs, fridges, freezers, air conditioners, washing machines, gas cookers, microwave, rice cooker, blenders, kettles, home theaters, a bus set, home appliances, and there. And now when you actually now Modena, nature would hear a property. As the Karam country pomo a doom over here or honomo. South so and Wesley Battle is Susania triangle, no, you didn't anymore. Who could do a Malcolm Suswa, Dan Cassiano, Kumasi Dan Cassiano, didn't anymore. Oko PM, our cocoa board runabout to Sudan, a Honso so, your branch or you knew didn't anymore. A court spin test Kwanswa, Depo Cassia 0500309309. Time Herbal Mister, a 3D yard in every hop. Be anyone of my. Na enema enkosa ne wo se kwa wonya 3D yade ni 3D yade a nya Time Herbal Mixture general bodily paste Time Herbal Mixture won komo aba form to yare by heart nya Time HH Herbal Mixture ne capsules wonya the boom na se wo kwa on den yare ne bakra enche na ho ato wo de aduru kai na wo sne 0244 417 669 0244 417 669. Dimpa, yeah, also last stop. Dimpa, also away. Dimpa, also put na kikino na yine free ho. Odiane Dr. Dimpa Natural Health Clinic. Yawo second floor Wallace Towers Ditcham so. Kumase kane menhia kwan no so. E honkwa ne branch ni nyina e one. Enye baby bio na obi aka se bra hia mo ha baby a. Na stomach ulcer cases there. Eno ane dimpa obo anuma wachiri ya wuja wani su brew uti obo ano twetwen heart burns oho wani su brew woda ase wontimi naye heart related challenges as a bibi sound minim ni nyina ya ulcer symptoms ka ho for ni kire Dr. Dimpa 0245 118 434 0245 118 434 and 0246 744 744. 0246 744 744. 21st clinic Vietnam Europe. You want Europe Nyagro. A sciatica Europe tour at your doorstep. Dr. Blazer Foster and a pump for Europe memoir. Yeah, I share one Juma. Nina sciatica. Ya fa Belgium, Germany, Romania, Italy. Nanyame ya doma, ye be 21st August. Enti se buku ya via WhatsApp. Buku sesi a frɛ. And I send the message 0244 915 116. Europe baby I will be 0244 915 116. Ye be ba na ye no abedi nkomo na ya show ye de bibidro kan e de account 0244 915 116 ye Europe tour obi on ma Ghana for mu ofa munia mo mase mo yire e ya o se jama o sori okọ adwuma se atika aka na to ana o se dem ana mo brebre ni no bi ni ade Yeah, they do Europe. You bet show. A 1 month treatment across Europe. 0244 915 Yeah, no, monsieur news and natural mineral water. It's grudging, come. Ubia num beauty dance say wanum super. Say wedding engagement outdoor party there. And you'll be Black Man Company. New set natural mineral water na make come for ma. Oh yeah, ponto be out to bedimbi. Now the servo how about fear no you do a fridge. And I say we be crab man or I say fridge man. Or no more things wanum monsieur. And my free bowels. I want my chance sorry I want bob. I over to me out Chicago. Come on. Fred 0244 620294 0244 620294 and 020-818-3018 Ana yekoya nima anesa afi 3 Herbal center the cold capsule the 3A cold capsule 3A waist pains pals and a constipation no ebe yini nyina fi hodmo wa onum outim say husipe na enka baba eti onum so abetima kwadwuma na se ko ba se wo yemu kwakutu obi hodmo na nne wonam ha na chana wa na outra fi 2 days uya 3A cold capsules the cocoa master 3 Herbal center na diaba Colina Danny Misty Apidan Kubenya Biato. The number is 0546 107 107. Yeah, we chicken there near we BBC. Boris B chicken annuncia dead. Yeah, fast terrors, antibiotics, nominate vitamins inside to cho. Oh no, we ask a change there be at the kilos I did amount of sanity 1.6 to 1.2 kilogram. Thigh, wings, breast, gizzard, layers. Yeah, we broiler need layers for her. Yeah, upe bia. We are cremonia team, halal. And she say, yeah, that one was so bia, we be you know. Yeah, the ninja I day. Atoto akwem kama entimesrewa sese base ope eye nama papa dia eye BBC for 05444453 05444453 na bibia ye dey akoso kama na ubenya dia towo poku trading SG Mall top high Shell Body Junction and Abantuma High Street ne Presbyterian hwede masawase market and a Santase roundabout na yekoya nima enesa Kanjin and Magic drinking water Alkaline water H.5 pH na wa utim se wonu nsuo na eno ane se nsuo ko nipadua ni mu ekọ hohoro won nipadua ni mu ntutumi jonso antioxidant pa afei hydrating to dance wo mu na wonom nsuo a wa utimi di adanse se unya free bowels afei esaso ema won wrinkle ema body no ye kama kanjina na fanom unro na wa be di adanse se ema won komo ahun ye den e de kon yade ye wo Breman UGC Tafuni Road ana bawa route to ho omo se me fanto anim se wo to kanjina hwe se tax stamp esiso se tax stamp insiso dia ene na enye papa eno ana me come from o asa bi get out say your life be ana sare if ana no yeah we are the dinyo yeah now the kid doctor puni minimum kakra na ye din kobo and you bet my friend 0241 449191 0241 449191 yeah that bibia enkoye kama na ye tada ye ho na bibia enyina fefefe ma ho okay and until 0241 449191 and 0507379474 na bibia adadi kama e de amount doctor you're cool
yeah
through tonight I drink also the cup refe pa isu ni guma na
edina
aba ho
it's for the Liberty Conference
fit anniversary no na
oh I see
obu opi say obrabe tobi
oh fine
kama say abompa ye bi agusu anya agro kra hwe caps ni bi o ti obu o jasa also do ku efe pa mo fa to so da dia na Kevin Hawana
ana picture na show no
we tuntumo ensosia ni guma na kala na ifefefe Kevin be yo Dr. Adams atrase aiming scientific brim. Doc na ye hwe.
O ma me da se ye fast dem twedi ampo na ye fa nchia mo bia wo hwe ana se otie Sompa no pe. Na mo fa nchia voice no. Yes, I can hear home and I can hear but to be a will before until I'm an IS. Last week na ya kaya kumano, ya kaya boy, kaya kuma, academy bring so or mom way issues na no so we are now a friend na baba brebo na how kuma na how bob peri when so beauty or yasa na o fa ya of am so number 0277
0277
00 1234 0277 00 1234 One point you come crazy and like I'm thinking I have brain no. But and then maybe as over the weekends and that the person you so and prepare no by hand mobi e worry awo awore baswa from come warrant to be at the next year 1 year
na start
say awo between about
na wa na wonyima na
inside between apie na prepare no be one more a man be one more they able to conceive this on the back all right but you be sort of say wa na because of say you who say you say that ba abano BBC na nyina say they got some miscarriage, you know.
Miscarriage.
Now, surprisingly, Omanhene Yaw issues, no. About in serious, no be a baba whom you know.
Me go 5 times for a miscarriage.
Yes, they don't seek medical help.
Are they?
They seek spiritual help rather. Because I'm pretty sure say sabi obina.
Whom be in
it is the second obey 2 and I'm about to not occur. Be a conformable for sa. Yes, for sa man. And see, Mammy be by her Siana. She's prepared to pay any amount to a charging a beer. By Marino, there's not a single egg in the body.
Kusiaba say on to be
Asa or 49 years.
Auntie Asa.
Yes.
So what menopause?
Yes. So there's not a single egg in the body. I want to say at all cost was all. Because a good point I feel that I didn't know. Problem no I
escalate.
Yes. And you know now akoba bia omo ka asem mo na wo baby mi nsa obodi na okoye no omo say first 3 months no be menstruating but sika wotua no
I trust them no does
see am pose ko because you are adding a mouse fertilizer once a hormones no man the body cannot fertilize
it be say
and the hormone na no asay and my mom when them to the point say 8 times. And if you do tell me no,
she has suffered.
Yes, BB spiritual BB until I feel or spiritual help. No, but got to a time also no, also call seeking medical attention. Or by no one say, "I'm pa." I didn't know.
It's government in Nicole.
Yes, but if we are not elite, and this mama no up to now, she's still on us. You knew the also catching the baby. Until the can say, "Oba worry." Now what me for no ukunoshia na yin say to me aba because one man na why test na show say yin say oh na after some time no after yin say no moja 2 na abasne ko no there's an underlying cause be ho no I am as ade ne
what could be
oh my na the under ya say yin say ba na say ya 90% of our year no you say e ma no be man the ones what man yin say wo assign no there on the only problem.
When you say
most of the men a drew crowd man on them.
A man so to me cause be.
Most of the problem if the man.
How?
Yes.
Me man name about that. A fertilizer egg. Yin say aba.
Very good. Oh my, it's him cause a sperm no. Or to sell microphone. The thing like a say and I one nice body say and then put you on a tin to say you trust it. But who hold my obey similar analysis no. Not spell it's a half. One more, it seems to us, body no come or a tail no. Spell more anything no. Say, about any crucia. Spell no tip and a command is about. It's a more body but tit. I'm about until body should be. there's a sperm no arm for me you say the tina ma body when kwa kuchara ho a ekure kuchara mu a be fertilize ma you tina ko e
me ba enti sperm bi o eniti
yes we won about
eno be wura kusua ni na ko fertilize
yes
enti the bra no emma then so after about 2 months
yes esidi no
eni ahoden
ni nyina o say obanyi say wo esidi bi a ba moje no humo bi ba moje no se o testimony am say ampa ni say ho o take junso no mu a ebi ewu ni nyina eba amu say oban anyi say o ya scanner e da ho
ai chese wanyi say
sack da ho a say anyi say after 3 months there will be a miscarriage because of say enye spermity
and ahoden nim better ni moja service
I fertilize it but who say initially when there will be no fitapo o just can that sack the back no be a mo so by you say from so me say the kind o just can the be run me da okay o say
akoma bo say nipa wo
yes it first say na from yakoma no it mu fitapo no pen na say akoma and a bomb who say
I say boy ko ti ku
e je no be say nipa but won mo twa no na o so da hu fitapo no akoma no hu say ebo but the sack is there everything with my measure they say na but and say enye spermity and the confederate constituency no after 3 months there will be a miscarriage
papa man dey on into
and most of these cases no and every people who want my sperm no the thing half and also the same thing entry enye normal human being and yes analysis no to check the money na okay the thing or the
full cycle
how was saying but the what body tail and head no saying see who say abnormal ones more than the normal ones now sabe man cannot cause pregnancy even though when you the normal count na happen and as when you say she cramp na
be say
there will be a miscarriage
oh the best show ba
oh and the oh my now because why test the who still out in it later our anyway about need 2 months when not on you say yes I feel that be when I do and they can and I feel that obesity medical help and they we can say when you say na say when you any say na essay and you say na say and my about quantity attention
so to anamo
more near check spells na ho den ni tiri for me ye morphology na here pa say for me ye dia okay and they can on there mobile you who any abnormality say when tiri ho pe what say e also wodro na when a normal and I say full body sperms are which one you say about. However, a man so problems be a bit emergency no a bad which me say. One of them is hormonal imbalance.
Hormonal imbalance.
Yeah, a man hormone be because of pregnancy and warranty. But so bad engine say say hormones no fluctuation we be cause now we have perform to say obano or to kusiana we have more estrogen. Yes, now a man to me atukusiana body now prepared at training say no. Once I could share any sperm be share needs and share pair we have progesterone. My baby one more time on yin man not still produce more estrogen mum.
As I know some more.
And I suppress progesterone every man yin say no ejina. Say no ma who more estrogen na at any point in time the uterus can contract. I would have one say akamwa. I want to say first trimester no adibia by contraction be ever say yin say no. And she said, "Homo no be release pen say afi e ka wo dem wa e ka mo
ku aboa force tebe ebe nane no
she say what one mo just say ba am pa ko no yin say na say be expel be beer out and if one ma PID for no mo nya infection wa wo dem mo treat am de ko yin say no you trust scan you see I would no if we cool sack in show ka credit na honum na one treat now the akofa afro sansu no e ma temperature no ese na ho aye heat abam and we one ma when you say a trust scan the fetal is there everything is okay the measure pregnancy they do 5 weeks the man say EDD time we able to me awo but after some time no we trust scan be no na e got say early fetal demise and I say you say na buy no do say and say ohu moja bia but you say na buy no akona wu e wo your phone mu because of the temperature that hormone too high for the baby. emotional ama akwara so ba was a condition na PID no honom what was can say cancel PID ni bia na one tweet na the condition ya any fit the my stomach can be me to south band nti hunu say be treatment ansana awo be otim a ama no about him and if you my fibroid back for intramural fibroid no baby a wono e wa wodi mu direct akwan na sperm first owura awodi mu no hona ana ebesi because man anya back ne akwa bebrebe honom na si e ho sa na say enyini a na fei ene akwala no ana baby no pray for space and nutrient and you know so but akwala dey feel na obe implant no through the placenta but when the baby afifi wa wode na mu akasa and eje all the nutrients no moja no from man ni nuane na be akwala nyina no eje the baby one more nyinsan boso baby a enum ba bo twa skala asusu akwala no mu duro no na akwala mu duro no say akwala ya nyinsan boso be mienu baby no nyinsan no but entumi nyini nti obabu no hu say wonyima na funu masoda obana do okay but nyinsan ntumi masoda emprepi no e bia na fiber bi wono ma compete with space and nutrients e be ma akwala nyini no and we say hono ma started go funu course na we say afi a time will come then na explosion abana amanyinsan no apie no say akwala ntumi empushi fiber no ma bontin emom fiber bet me push akwala no everyone no dey about bontin so ba bia ko twa scan dey say so wo intomra fiber no bia okunu say so ko fa furu a at some point in time no ebetumi amanyinsan na say finally o man awode no ano I feel cervix no we want one there no you say incompetent awode no ano emre sai ma no so fa furu a na say opeja ensu kra bucket mu a ebetumi amanyinsan na say yes it's time most of the times no so when you say it may go to hospital for 9 months they are careful
no my boy see achiche na wo dia
good you for tie service na at any point in time there will be a miscarriage some man when you say ni kurumpo onu nsia onu koda sisi a ni say be say the sacrifice no say odi ni ye bia because man no wonim na sa oni bi no honum enti onyin say na oni kuru kuchi kekepo na nyin say say onyin say ofro car na say kwan ni na wo so so ya bia na nyin say onyin say na say bi openya de mu do a na nyin say the woman so what class na what kam kan hi za no a na ma nyin say I want to know me yan kwa because what time pokra it's all tied the entire so manu kra no openya de mu do a betwa manyin say obi a sese bia metie me mood pa sama hu sa man ye na oba no nyin sese me se me ne be hia na mum se de e ka adam live no so obi wono ma ne sex time no e ba ko pe oba no da ho no da no so so ba no nyin sese na fu no ye na so so boya sa o se nyin sese
na bema na oba nyim na fuka ka o sa ko da no so na wo dim yansa
ba o de bi so no ma na afuro enyam pie
and one way ya
and bi so no ma that is the best and I say they are no pepper
there na say o go di style chi akose wa
and you say oba wi no ono ba me sie you so ya mo so na mu jata na yin se na kwase
okay
so say every miscarriage almost 98% of them are underlying cause and find concessions in the the urban as a medical year who there then we can attribute to solution but say who be there no still to medications no offer they are clear what you so I want who some na and some who
Ade with them suggest here part 2 doctor
now when you actually
because next week uba master with the me special request let's activate the lines now I'm on for because there are people who have had miscarriages.
Yes.
Now, the only home common.
Yes, man.
Why?
I'm number that's the better. So, we are so honor now when you actually more atroma techima kwada so. We should must offer the corner so no more. So free carry Herbal be nearby. Free go so Herbal be nearby. We free be nearby. So we do tano so abo tano so. No one see in fear no more. Taxi bank be also about Dr. Mia so honum. Omando beba. Wo krum so a oba pampa so a pj to na atuma to ma cash no bi honum and so for line so ba honum bonya cash no bi afi wo so pampan bia wo num say okasa pampan wo mu home pampan wo wontumi nka sum se obi ben wa wontumi home ye ana say wan kasa wote ana bi ko no wante obi oben na complain actually no say so ho dro no ba no o ma se ho no o frɛ ya na we obi ya no bi manaka na Ade Abia every is before no so the same thing do one ma betimi the manaka number 0277
0277
00
00
123
1234
0277
00 277
00
00
1234
1234
mo abrochina my scan be will be akasem be a why ho ya pese wo send you know no so
0241
36
73 49 0241 36 73 49
that's Allah Shafi
Nyankopon ene yare safo Dr. Adams na moteni nka no na otwe se na yebe makwan ama maba ahoma no so okay na ensema oka ye nyina ba nei mesrawo ebia na de oka ye wagire ho awonte ase eye deep mema ne bebre wo mongo aso mo de shema no na se sperm ni ti na half ntimi ngo ebenyi sense 2 months time na wu nti na wosa mojaba obu oso a onitire ye ema munue obani akwaba now point to say alopa yedi komo free education bebem ana IT ene adwuma ye pama mabunu bebem omopani John Domani ma se awofo tia 70% according to EduWatch 70% of free SHS na abana tia 30 eti free no kra no nye free sa EduWatch the kai to say EduWatch boa okay we ya do free wa o say odi de friend no coding system or educating 1 million of a 300,000 training omo in IT and or yeah NDC Youth Manifesto na baby ojina ye park ese no memo ma twuma ne ade aye osese obi a plagiarize sa IT additional ne o training na eye ba omia no they to ho no mo ko 2020 o ma yi mu kra dem nti ba me aso be 21 million people in IT ni ade nyina no yese wa plagiarize or no policy ni na ni so ade hu anopai yedi nkomo omampani John Dramani Mahama nsema woka ye interrogating anopai was say academic user fee first years obetua ma omo to ya ofo a omo research akire say out of about 420,000 nkwala omo be wie SHS no emu almost about 50,000 per and etimi ko university o ma hwehwe mu amene hu se eye sika Maxwell ofosu Boakye eye MC ewo ye mpeswa we aso ono ena eba aban mu dia oye landlord wa akwaba
amai
na I want to say
my mejusu me pa na we
ese be dap no so mami je
o mami na wase menche ahwefo ne yetiefo na menka se President Mahama at least ba wo boy NPP abaso ne yesum
oboma baso
oh yes kwante what's it free SHS obeto aso anambwa say ade boni anka yento aso o say obi di ade boni aba me obi abeto aso
say obe improve no
yes say ayenti na woto aso anambwa
yeah that's true
but me pese meko akire edin boni a omode maaye in 2008 omo ka say yentimi nye 2012 omo say yentimi nye ye betimi aye a gese mfie pepepepe echi ansa na Ghana betimi na ya hoboa enso ya kwankro
A quine finfina no was okay, my yard such that free SHS no, mayor. Omanhene President Mahama free SHS with me, a brand new president, and I went him 38 cities no to a man Korano. And you deal students, and I'm 38 Ghana cities. And a President Mahama tria you. And no also a free SHS. And President Akufo-Addo, and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, any NPP abaya e was we. Afa ye man hoka a omuko school. Now with the waba, now also be improving na. Omanhene, Sabi, irrespective of nsemo o kan fa ho nyina. So onu 2 billion na on fan koye ade bi to say free SHS. Ade dey na ha no. There were other needs. Other competing needs what system no one na spend 2 billion wo enkwara ho obi ma ho ni nyina mu no otwa no ho say there be Ghana for still na no free SHS no omasom na Ghana for nso ani je ho o ma be kane no sa abre wa abre so kra na o former place na be kaya that time I think 2014 or so and a research bi ba say in terms of ranks Ade Ghana for a prioritize here. A dia koma so pa a free education. Say for second was health in that order.
And third was employment.
And still NDC for no mass NT. It is a President Mahama who say Abaya was say Abaya nasa. Abaya wo mo ne homodin. Abaya wo nya bibi papa bi ada. Na say sa Abaya na timi di free SHS aba. Na wa hunu say eye enti de o kan fa ho nyina afa de sebi impreduasa okay me can't say I be na be atini kakra because sebi o ye panyini ba me ka say mo adwena ba mo ho so
omani aba mo ho so me kan sa na say mo hu ni say free SHS mo beto aso a praise the Lord em say ya baso bokese ye pa anameboa that is if say munya akonya na anameboa it is say munya akonya na say mo beto aso de a any o mind the Ghana for be kan say na say sabi o do no de policy ba ye no me nya sure say what ase sen no say dem ichiri de no de ne policy ba ye free SHS ni NPP me nya sure say NDC for what ase sen NPP and moreover President Mahama say nya akwanya bio ebra omu criticizing say enya possible ni ade nyina no ono aka say wo de ba me pamcho otimi ye ana wa ntimi anye sabre no ye president o it is so begina ho no me now ka say edu what say parents etua 70% the President Mahama oba wo betua sen wo de yanyi edu watch de ani ntum say ye no kre de President Mahama e ka no wo de ye no kre aban tua 30% parents tua 70% etu oba wo betua sen utu at 38% in class will now start free SHS. But I buy we say it's your fees 38 cities. Utu at 38 cities, sorry. Utu at 38 cities no can also free SHS. I buy we say your uniform, your textbooks, especially core textbooks, no, any literature textbooks, no. Your school fees, your provide aduane man kwara no saami o ma we num nyina aban currently yes awofo also ebo can be halfway because akwara ni ko school no ye beto soap kakra ma no ye beto sponge ama no o the chopos be kwa na meboa o beto singlet o beto underwear eno de aban mfa nka ho time na awofo na the 12 fees no eto omu uniform eto omu books eye bibia no me ba chonkra ni ko school anasa na o parents to na no monto no monto dada nti sa ada na omugusu yes argument we no mo mfa nto ho no the second one na ye manije ene omo kan say academic user fee eso omo betua ma all first year students. That's right.
In fact, there is nothing like academic user fee. President Mahama they should get it right. Academic facility user fee. They mean by academic user fee. Say you no more person much read there. Any media can
nobody spoke about tuition fee.
University tuition is just a sub idea of
but they said government will absorb
I'm saying
there will be free tuition.
A academic user fee. Academic facility user fee.
If it's academic facility user fee, whatever. What I heard was free tuition. Tuition fee, free tuition for first year students.
Almost say about 2,000 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
For first year students. Bebacho, nkeye. Na Sebio se Zuba, a presidential candidate. And I walk as a same way. Sabi, o doubting in ye because we nya kwenye biada. Oh, de michi. We nya kwenye biada. So obeso. It in fact, Sabai be ba a china crano. Now I say, Obema University for na free education and over first year to final year crana. Omanhene. Eye, because a papa be and whoever first watch or mine a Japadia since I can ways. But your questions be number one, what you are fees in the first year we are. But your second year no, or better survive.
Almost say entry no always difficult.
It is yes sir.
Yeah, but that is what they are saying.
And no more can I miss what you first year and money we are. Second year, third year, fourth year, or better survive it.
There will be teething problems in every policy. Free SHS by first year. Kwalano kwena party no muhunu say e was some year double track anameba. E was some who say mo did get fund. Moko did loan of about 3 billion. Ebe infrastructure. Moko jisika. Eti aban no say obedika tria 2,000 amawo. Na omo timi ewrem. Omu rema ebe enu next year no na what the policy for
policy ba. We a manifesto stage we should ask questions.
I don't have a problem.
Final year. Me say I'm all for it.
The MPP never spoke about double track in their manifesto. Did they?
We spoke say Akorabia because we are
yes.
They are talking of first year.
Yes, Omuka first year. That is the policy. Well, then you have to ask the NDC.
So Omuka say first year to final year, dear. Kameka say, oh, a year. I feel any abehe nipa na walk and say, ne track record to saying. Oh,
okay.
Nipa the track record. It is saying number one, they also want to have first year nkwano. Nkeye, that's what you have my first year. The enemy we are. May I then my 3 years now?
Can you have a student loan?
Student loan. No how much they budget for. You think it can cover all the universities, all the students? It's not possible. But what I say, and yeah, possible. Under him, student loan in 2016 budget. And what 23,000 per on budget for. Even when I know almost nursing training, teacher training allowance. Nipa 23,000 per on budget,
including even
universities, polytechnics, new way 23,000 per. So any diabetes I say, what the loan neighbor in any case. So I can say student loan now. Student loan as we speak, are you saying say and no enough to see a running through? So baby school. Number 2, nipa na washa sabono. Me pamcho na ebrebi baya nursing training ni teacher training allowance. Na you just mere allowance but you so twem me wa.
Yeah, but he said say he was introducing students loan because it's tertiary now. And universities edgy loan. So why can't they also take loan?
Into a nipa saying loan. Nipa 8,900 per normal loan nibi. Teacher training. It's not as if say loan was there and crying in Abetimi assess it.
Okay.
Sa 23,000 no more budget here no crano. Na and quite the training college for Uncle Zoom. Why would they make pattern?
Okay.
It is no. Make us say yes, we introduce training loan in there. But let's say a throw and us idea. Because it's about me pay be a many be. Competition was so keen. And I'm a boy. Obia wono wanya konya be the president ni be paying. Utility bills are never campuses. Utility bills. In 2014, na Professor Jenna no Pokwaji, my education minister, President Mahama Ekrem. Omanhene what I say because he felt say here and fasoni so. If you have the same person, now
it was cost sharing.
Me
was where they introduced cost share.
What the president ni be that? Ne track record asem na ye kan you. O yonko ba ye no asabe restore. Me say NDC e ka so mo be first year to final year. Nyame ye wo madoma mo matimi aba. I have no problem. Say NPP ka say ye betua nkwara na universities ni fees. I have no problem. It's all good for us. What you say? But we are looking at credibility here.
Credibility in what state?
In terms of credibility, in terms of your words. Me pa what you say? What can some say metimi agi wadi e wo wasema waka ho.
Okay.
Do you get the angle I'm coming from?
Okay.
And when it comes to President Mahama, same way no, 4 years pen aka o. It is say wo hye bobia bi. O hye bobia bi. Se be ya, ni tumi ni be kan nsa. Obeka so wotwen breminwa me na mekro no. Me pa what you say? In terms of this policy now omo ka ho asem no. Mesra omo say omo pese Ghana for.
But he has said 4 years is enough for any government to change the narrative.
Oh,
Tamale.
Uni masama ya san reho. Me say what the president ni bi nti ono ana no asem be yi na ama.
How?
The first time I did say na President Mahama san kan for 4 years. Or say 4 years is enough for any government so betimi dey solve all problems.
He has sat back.
Yeah.
As a former president and realized say Yama unfie naya. That's how we are serious. As he says he is. He's learned his lessons. He can change the fortunes. So he's saying say okay, so can say fie nine. Bibia ni wonoma wo ye aban a obetimi dey aye. Na se sia no. Watena se ahwe amemu MPP mobu ye fie nwotwe. And who say obetimi di fie na asesa nema. I don't know man yet to say enya possible.
Men can say enya possible, but I'm saying say nipa no ana no asem ye di bu anefo. You should have principles, my boy. You should have values. You should have ensembia. A man is as good as his worst.
Okay.
My boy. Me pese me hu no man hina wan no asem. What can asem we ekra no akwa we ya? Me fa serious. Me fa serious. The same person that can whilst he was president. Justify say 4 years in enough. So betimi di abu man. Na wakotena nchen ya. O say be ka say 4 years ye enough. Yemfa de hin. Yemfa de hin. Eti the American say President Mahama and the NDC. I believe that they should look at this policy again.
Which policy?
In as much as say me hu ni so omuntimi nye kra no. We dey some be provided from first year to final year. So omutri year. I think that makes more sense. Let me put it that way. It makes more sense that way than say akwara na be kwa akoso ekwan mu after first year and now I dey baby. And 2000 na wutu ya no krampo no it's not enough. It's just a cushion. Because akwara na go school and then first year students no fees no enye 2000. What you say? Even second year and third years no krampo no. Final year screen na 2700. And don't forget say enkwara no so aye ka o masem no ye wo omo ye humanities omo fees ni wo form ye wo engineers for no ho ye wo pharmacy for no ho ye wo medicine for no ho ye wo natural ne omo maka ni nyina so ye de e wo ho omo fees ni wo soro. So paying 2000 is not enough. If you want to open so you be to say the NPP say you the free SHS aba secondary school level no. Now person would be by university level na. Braye ni ehunu yente wase. That's so because you are going to pay just 2000. That will not be enough. The other year me baso.
Oh, 3 minutes.
Okay.
Meet you.
Oh, so Nadian ka say abantem.
Acho me ma time I yet tell you. No, West use me. Wash any glasses.
The other year me about to ICT there.
I also plagiarizing.
I say I plagiarizing.
If you want to know, you go to their manifesto, even from 2000 ever. You will find out.
In fact, I have.
They have spoken about it.
Yes, but they spoke about it in 2008,
2020. This is the document.
2020.
Oh, yeah, me the more. Me the credit say mamu. Me can't say nyamu na mukai. Zuba.
So it's not in 2008.
It's here. 2008 manifesto is here.
Fine, they spoke
It's
about
here.
it 2000, but this is the latest, 2020. Your mama quoted 2020. He didn't quote
May say in 2008 is in their manifesto.
Bring the document. Let me verify.
Mami, we are not there, Mr. Mami, come answer me.
Well, they're kind. But John, have a kind. But with you,
Mami, kind the whole page.
I kind.
Also, the national backbone will be linked up with the SAT3 and the sea cable to provide speedy connectivity with the outside world, especially our sub-regional neighbors. Because it is a strategic national asset with a pivotal role to play in the development of Ghana's information and communication infrastructure, Ghana Telecom's sale to Vodafone BV is completely unacceptable to the NDC. We shall accordingly review the sale and purchase agreement covering the transaction and take a decision that is in the strategic interest of the country. We will build upon the various existing ICT human resource training programs and develop a critical mass of ICT personnel. Critical mass of ICT personnel to satisfy both domestic and external demands.
Okay.
Now who talk am? Men am shemana.
That's on the training crop.
Yes, our ICT. No more they are be I export to be crass.
Say India no
2020 no can say me.
So on the training I export to be.
Yes, men am say or can say 2020. Nam do omo kra chire.
How would you know say Oman training obia?
Omo export be pa. It's a policy that we should all know.
Okay.
It is something that you are a journalist, you are a neutral person. Okay? You should know, you should tell us. NDC trainee.
Give me the document, let me read and show you something.
NDC trainee, maybe I mean the maker. NDC trainee, and Kwafwana, Yakan was a banana. Who almost answered or more can a knee. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia or UPSC. Eba can say, you be training 1 million a year, Emranti and Mabawa. IT and I'm a boy. Good. Now the amount who say yeah credibility say beti me ayen. Omo can weigh in their manifesto omo enti me anya. The other one crowd omo say enti me anya. Omo can say electronic versions of various government application blah 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 forms such as
blah 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 blah.
Me by brain ho. Me we are me the man opa. Omanhene bra o ha mamin kan man.
Ka dia na blah blah.
O say what bamba. Nyabotem e wa ha me kan man. Say another fortunately time wo.
That's why. Yeah, we need time. I just say what I do. We are me time.
Electronic versions of various government application forms such as passport, driving license, and vehicle registration forms will be made available online to ease the problems that individuals go through in seeking such services. But under John Mahama na e wo hono mana.
Things all started and nice.
Mane ka kire. Mane ka kire. Yen nyina e wo krom hanom.
Okay.
Driver's license, vehicle registration, any passport application online. Adana mu di trust. Yen nyina the American say in terms of insomnia, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, President Mahama, it's not about the Okane Kane because ye can there omo kan 2008 omo anye Ghana's problems
thank you very much.
Ghana's problems remain the same.
Okay.
But nobody can claim autonomy over.
Thank you very much. Zuba.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Oh yeah.
Mami Chiu.
Beti ono unde mafa mam fast person share. Amesre na misu. Tino se me kata mani. Se da ya manfo hu za mi basere so. Yeah, the credibility do be a can went to me and Kabay and Kamako for one camano. Baumia. Some Hamadio or kind or cocoa nephew. Where do you want what tip? One or Timmy Tim no catch them up by no mam watch them. Montu mamma by them. We are mamma by mam water. Everybody is hey, we a baby or pa the moon radio show. Yeah, take Chroma say Anna honorable Canada Japan or your campaign. Well, back at say. Ni ba the driver nya free SHS. Awo ha class will be kebiwa. So no one driver or can car when you free SHS or boka over 10,000 cities. It is no different from there. Edu what you can because if you have somebody who wanted to become president on the ticket of MPP, can say na mwadi na etia. Me no why say mbedi machine. Yeah. unim mpanifo a yebeto o mo se yenko na yemma yebede hu se kwamu e ena yebete kasa na hobi se kwase ana ensesa na adwen na me kwa de kwase ana de me se Jimmy vo na ensesa na adwen me ko tamale me ni me se me di 6 hours be ko tamale ma kwa me di 1 hour me do akomada francho me si no 6 hours ya me ka sam de ko e me semre ma san mechi another 1 hour ma be fa plane 30 minutes na me de akwa kodo e de na me ka se me ko tamale within 30 minutes I will be di mechi ni ko me ko na me hu akwansidi e wo ena me tena se na be hwe na mu se no 6 hours no emboa me ndi e kwa na me ka se me de 6 hours afi de me hu se me ti me di 30 minutes e twa ndi me san mechi na se me de 30 minutes be twa o se wo ka so de 6 hours be ko tamale enti ade na wase san wadwe be ka se o de 30 minutes be ko tamale. The most important thing is that o se me do tamale na de o se me yama o no aya ma o o ti ase enti me ameko no me hunu se e kwan na me fa so ma ye mfom so me fa mechi me fa wi me hye na me fa nkwa bibia nka dem se e odi kan ka se o de 6 hours de tatabas e be ko eti by force so o ka se o betu de 30 minutes e ko drive because o ka 2 hours into credibility na nka ba o me ade ke ma ne microphone no enyo no ogina ho no che the fundamentals baby e man ye week ema to say fundamentals ni na ye week ogina mo san hye bo say o be stabilize go for who you you o say o be stabilize FNSN CD na wo kwan ya fa so stabilize CD na so wonye ne sise no mamienu wa bro what you say CD na GSM say do 15.85 eno da na se wo hunu kwan ya fa so a ye de betimi stabilize CD na wo so said you two ba bi MPP na no mo hwe ko hwe aba ni bi na kufa do ba ne ma waiver na party kwa won ka ho enene wa ba be di wo mo so na nka wo pe party ni ye na se wo pe se party ni win power na onim kwan ya fa so stabilize CD a kufa do wo CD obeye bia de aboa obi am win bia obeye de aboa etu trend kwan ne se aha ne de be stabilize CDs na ena me se wo bo ne trimu pose obeboa no obetie it is a dream be wo ba o mi abetim da stabilize CD na ayere 2 minutes na nkasa abre no so nkoye no wonu po ogina bunu nu na ensuo mene no wo san hyebo nkokon so wonu po mo ti engine ni na de wakoko tena se aye nsese ye hu ba bia ni sinto wo ba be hyemu kina ma mamu papa bia ba Ghana fo hwe nanim so na murunku mu ba kata ba na murunku mama ba ku de oba papa be miao ba ko so beba ma haye ma te ba o me be miao mahama beba ma haye ma
mahama so me ma haye
ma mama ntanya dwuma ye
nti ba ko mia na ba ko ye
ma haye ma
okay
what you say dey kan mu to be ya mu ye nyina mu be fa 2 minutes free ensem na mu se ya bon no maburu ni Ghana fo a no mu ni adwuma ne ye de gu ensanie ni edo to Ghana man no dodo ho a na oha mu nchemu enson epo 9 de kire ena na ni adwuma 7.4% ena abra mu gie free ensem no omu ni adwuma unemployment rate was 7.4 mu tena akonwa no so emfie wotwe no enipa maburu eni adwuma no omu ye 14.8%. How ye the Ghana population to a one year adwuma no dodo no wo de gunsanie ni ebupe no ekoko gina oha mu nchemu edu en9 epo enwotwe nti ade no unemployment rate no se na nipa 7,400 ni adwuma ene 14,800 ni adwuma ye ne wo wa mama nkofo aye mambofo woni adwuma ye a woni ye da so ye ne wo wana wa credibility ye ne wo wa magana manti abo asesa wo munya adwuma nye no ye ne wo when ne wo credibility ya abra wo ba jisika na every yensem na ye 3 cedis 80 pesos mo se 4 ya fa
4.3
ya fa no ye fa ne se kufu abra so na ye 0 na asesa ne ye 0 ye de ko 4.3 enfie wotwen wo de yadru near 16 cedis ye ne wo when ne yade time I was here in corporate tax was around 16.7%.
and then yenam over 26%. Yen ne wo eto anyumayefo atua no yen ne wo ho na yade. Income tax abra yen wo so no na sen na amanfo tua obi papa bi che besadin wo Segulin last 3 weeks. Me twem fenom obi che am zuba no se bra of the tax che me 2023 we tua 4,300. 2024 otua 5,900 same shop
income tax
same shop no man kwa so asante mama eduma fo aye hia fo ade fo okuma se stress on business ego woni yen when the work credibility but you see what happened yesterday a novelty e bin sida party bi anya bi fi say amamu kamam amana say party bi ase da yi say e mante ne mabunu amokrom apama aya de beto ye ne Ghana fonte ye manifesto a ye hwe sodubu abanya manfo no beso ye mu no ma die kokko gina nkonko ze wo kan se nti ye hwe ni mu no obi anya bi ma mabunu da we die di kan a ya ye bi ma mabunu enie na onim o share the demographic distribution of the unemployed e wo Ghana ha any omo ye multi-dimensionally poor according to omo data omo de abeto abonten. The demographics of unemployed, about 90% a year between the age bracket of 18 and 40 youth. Omo ye multi-dimensionally poor, the demographic distribution about 65% a year aged between 18 and 40. What it means is that uhia bubru kwa kweni asa yire nipa kon a wanya kukudura odi ahoma show falls in that bracket no na eyire wo mo na adwuma nso a ho akotwe wa ban we apen so no emabunu enso na ade no ayire wo mo eti se wo ya ban na se wo ba baji 2 media free wo mo nsem a wadwi nyina o se ko mabunu no so ede na mabunu no hwehwe adwuma yo idea na gbobru no hwehwe si e be free ohia buburu mu na mahama nyuma a wo hwehwe ni nyina no ma waka ni nyina fa pimpa ye de ba no ye se ye kure ya ye timin atimfo no book na tress bi ade no ko na ade no so no ahyehye ato se loto de o tro no mo se nyomo a nti nipa wo ye na mehu na nka mbeka se sofo hye me nkom because wo de wo ka esi me ba jo adia Ghana ye ya how pass esi ase akufo ado ba ba di o man ye free ensem no na o man ye ka nyinara na ye 122 billion okay ti yam fa ne se President Mahama obai na ye zero na ka ni ho no, they could do. Yam fan say kufu enya yeka atamu se enya yeka. John never boss. 4 years one ebobo yeka 120. Ne gaudi kamuva munso 4 years ya kamuva 122 ngam. Kamuva 122 400. Nkenu 400. O peja ye no. You do 470 billion per the report in the financial statement or they call mid-year budget or they call parliament no. I do 740. Ye ya san line loans bebre or parliament na eno da mete or da sani se papa we there so ba Israel breso a na o kana nyame ade ku na ko wu ya che papa be ba o mia o ba sa mo si ma bre no so na nyame nso so nkwasesem so na ko wu da ade no haye na nitiye Baba Kristo abeso nyame ye mobrehu fo de adom ne adoye na ehwe ne ma enti wo bone ne wo si wo mu yu nyina obekoso ahwe o sa nyame anda na aboshe bone enti de obeye bia na ohwe o sa da metie ti on governor Bank of Ghana makoko gina baby omso mo go to reserve worth 5 billion na me yam shimi see mo go to reserve worth 1.5 billion. And I my family who actually ubu amanya 320 kwa ko this is bebre wo na muntu 3 na yamfa 223. Oh God reserve. What is the essence of the reserve? To show up your economy, right? To cushion you. Oh ahunye ma okwa kwaji loan. IMF me didn't see 3 billion. Yes, spreading over a long period of time, the amount. Mewa. Also say go to Muguzuto. Ego. Mewa. I didn't 3 billion yen for year Jumo, yen scans and to being count. That Bank of Ghana pussy losses. Ye try by a tibrofo about Udra. What tibrofonia about them? More. You see? Yeah. I have in Obico University for sure. I have a text message. Every time me read it, I soon. I will be back. And I'll show it to you. I will be back. My sister, Koshade or Kobiso. No, Becca Chair, me say, I could have been my dear pa now for no. Young Sumwa. A bad day. A day, I'm almost on Bepeja, quite not dear see baby. Now, me catch him say, Sahan architect, Esu Labi, or your mammy. Or so me mu. Nti, me so. Mammy so be mu. Na me say on fire. Quite no baby. They can message and kind of loud. The entrance to the school, no, dema warm. And I'm telling you, as at now, top, no matter what perspective, but I spent close to 10,000. Oh, message, you know. Nyami bow.
He's showering praises and blessing you.
Nyami bow. My boka close to 10,000 top. And no matter what perspective.
For senior high.
Nursing.
Okay. University.
Yeah. University. In the Jesse. And Korano bimu wo ha. Initial entrance no. Omuhia mwa. Oko university first year. Nye fees nkwana okwa gudia. Admission fee ni za no man. Oh dem je no. Ti ye kase ye be mo obi free tuition ne ka ode ko first year no ho a. O de wo se o so ehia fo ma ye ye de so ehia fo ma enye ye. Na wa ka cho so mo go free SHS no bia na papa ehia no. Yeah, baby, I might go school. Maybe about 2 years or nursery. Ni fees. I try university for 4. Nursery 2 years. Ni fees. Me try no. I try university for 4.
I understand. I know they. Na nkra ho no mo.
You can be true. Be try ni part 10.
Ketwa no yaw. 13,000.
Wow, you are. Now, me catch a me say, I feel I didn't
there we grind. New machine say a fees buy almost 12,000.
Yeah, me catch a me say.
Oh, me no 12.
Me catch a me. Me catch a me say. Imwa dia mami na me nkosesa. Mpese me sesa school. Oza me tafo. Na manuku school nja so.
Ka be so am ba ai tafo me dribia na.
Isha so na me say me. Isha so na me say me sesem. Na me ko ba kubo da kudwom wo MPP panyi pa bi ba ku bi dia me do ombobo na me se
yeah avi
ombobo na me se se na ba bia mo ye
avi dey go but a very powerful school.
And na me yere so say to da bi we ni boden ye bisa na me wom na me tefa da ba kwan no so no be ni ti wo ye ba ku bi wo ho
enas
omo kan KG dia na mkacha me say masa ye try ya
go enas hybrid baby go enas
amuka KG dia no amuka KG dia na mkacha me say madam why but school abi KG na emu ayemo
sure
emu ayema baby enas so
abi da ko jobo
baby tie enas so ni yase me ma no apo ni nya o mo me try exams nine
say new mission baby Koko he exams and go for ba metro.
Yes, you almost
I do baby I ka se Ghana nya di no. But
e go for mako e do me go for na mako a obutia 120 110 ma kg no. Obutia 110 ma kg no. Ye ka so ontia 5,000 per almost do that.
Simple gra. Obutia. And you obi ana ehia no.
You see?
But you look at the mass.
Not here school be so important mo. Sim Benedict. Tafun sha so. Edu baby a it means sa it means Sompa bottom man e gina monte ni eyi shenkofo omoko school.
That's right.
Me ma me school wa bant ma kwan de bia maka tra me man mpaboa eye dada ne ye de kohwa
omofom yeah say abrabo no nta nyina anya
enti very good en satia no enya ni nyina na
to be all co university 2000
ye kese be ba loan no aba me force so be di loan me ko invest ni bi man di loan da me papa oh nim enkoye enso manyi bi because the reason why a man here necessary breno na obi a this obi a oye aban worker and a guarantee man uko wie na wonya adwuma na the pension so a na nya enti me mpesa me de obi a ebeko na no mara ho semewum sika me betwa saa ho semester me yere no papa de man 1 week what you say aso ye koye but obi ne so ye mu me akitaka so labi nya me fa the currency ne ba doctor ya labi deputy medical director confono che da no ajiba adebe se humi no humi azikwasi ehunim no ase aminu aketwa no what I say oye kwapin me asante no se nua ne papa ne so mi mu nke ye nwie me last semester e wo legon yaw Mr. Papa bi wala pass e very Mr. Apia who is using ho na ko glory oil bi ho before glory oil no dan bi si left ya cho no DC ofi adanse akrofo mama nchem enye onu kamisa ba fie me last semester wo legon enye Mr. Apia kamisa ba fie okay what the point am saying at any point in time bia na ka say time am call school no na me nya so mufo bi wo first year because by the time me free one na me go taxi me no na ya tana school wa na ya karaka de ato taxi me no na erego it is academy nya so mufo bi e wo first semester na ka ko ke bia me to taxi ni 9 okay mama ma promise no e ya ade a e bana na sama o kan ni book no yeah unim what is the basis for the
time and also
national fiber cable buy that is what is captured in the document the national data center the Accra data center and the buy that is what is captured in the document.
Thank you,
that
Zuba.
Is the foundation for ICT industrialization.
Thank you, Zuba. Mami enya birthdays na memra Richard Kwabena Pia, Mr. Ak, Big Buzi so ma trinkwa, DJ Herbal Lion. Humble Lion also so Kwame Yeboa President do say of Medoma Kachire Obi Martin Kwafe Mauli Deku Bejeha from Ellen Boatin Aguna Elvis J Boatin wo UK Buzi so Martin Kwa now says Sibepoku London ya Martin Kwa Afe Madam Esther Hope of Ghana Immigration Service Secondary Regional Office Abigail Wumbe, Kumasi Central Police Station, SWAT Unit, Dr. Sami of 21st Clinic, so much. All right, Mami too. Thursday your birthday. Oh, your birthday should come out. There baby, oh, who be to the day upon why action. All right, we are by action, Judge. Mine too. Hey, more base, Abusia. Oh, Mami too. I just said, me fan office, and one coming and I feel. Mami too.
The American say, Zuba, I can summon. But sometimes, what kind of trust if you talking about a car this is here so 470 billion 740 billion so 740 billion and
according to
Mr. What that means ne say NDC be far a can at what 9.5 meboa 9.7 o mu free so no mo de abo ho ebro empredu mienu so ne me ya adwene say good enti MPP he betimi equal NDC san wo masane de bon kan e bon hom predumi no a o se samren ke running into trillions be 1.2 trillion ni echi we yem fan ho ho ya ho yes obeka se dollar na ama enioma ni nye kan ye koboy na en una wo manage enti anu nye excuse but the me patch ne se wo de bo hom predumi no eti metena no nka se obefa no 1.22 no na afie mfie na de ball ho baako na asa de ball ho mienu a enya sa netie mpacho mo de ka ne ball ho empre edumienu enti between us NPP ni NDC ye ka ne kosro de but in terms of managing our debt no better than them so na me adwene sir
now you are not servicing any debt
and I'm say we are better than them say servicing or no servicing a good intention and a strategy and our man for I wipe out a canoe do no crampo the other one has to do with employment.
Okay.
Metesa President Mahama can about nursing trainees ese enra oyi or say no justified until we allow one free one also allow one or realizing who say see you want a free one no ma and no kwa betimi afa nurse for nko 13,000 enu ti na mu yi free ho ana mbusa mo say yo ana dey na see because who free so 2016 no na aba we ba ye be fa nkwara 2012 batch no mutifie 2013 2014 2015 any 2016 crowd they made me the ache womo because time more power more free power now they were not due for recruitment because now fe no more by you say
don't you think he was talking about enrollment in school
no,
not
no,
in
no.
employment?
What kind was employment or say scanner you do alawa no
and ko betimi dia
fairness for 13,000 adwuma it was we are looking at permanent employment not allowance
okay
meanwhile what you want no about 5 batches went me amfa wo it sabi because we okay we need to or panyini sabi nkontompo some way minia yaka o ma panyini a wabedi obi a wabedi o ma panyini pen sabi ye remfia o ka aba so mbetimi afa dodo e wo campus so no the records don't support that. The records are in our budget every year. We state some records when especially training colleges. More kwana they were around 38,000. Now training colleges are over 54,000. It is the argument say muyi alawani free ho sabe ya mu betimi afa more na sabe panyini no so san etwa nkontompo ba akobi o se yi alawani free ho no o mutimi absorb nipa ebeka ho ne ye be 60%. I feel say President Mahama why na man is figures we documents na every year you state when in our budget 2016 budget is stated there why the money figures we the other one Mr. The other one
sorry ako why
but the American
from September many penny for Eddie come September will close at 9:40
okay
I will see to it from September we'll close at 9:40
second bite we are my best 17 minutes one chef was say me am how many minutes
1 second many will feed at them this issue about your employee nurses no me know you research it
am employing
4,955
only year batch pro 2012 one 2013 2014
please.
Nobody is saying so man Felipa within that
what's this attack when they say employed but I'm proving to you that we employed in that year
registered
nurses website it's
it
there
was proven
and it was there
950 because
I'm talking about 2016
no
so
let me tell you do this research
yeah okay 2011
this was it
research
nursing school Washington region last year for 1,000 this year could take 500 even private investors on nursing to a Christian service because of unavailability of funds.
Now one can try be specific. School buy some now working.
Bottom line is that
school buy some school buy some no working.
Bottom line is
Christian service.
That be one kind Christian service.
My boss
Christian service. Degree.
Nursing for me now.
Christian service is private.
Private. No nurses.